Kia Optima 2017. Starter went. I had to change the starter. First I had to remove the duct from the air filter, then remove the throttle body. It was four 10mm bolts, and then I had to remove the intake manifold. So on this intake manifold, you got two lines right here, which is here. Take those off. And you have these two right here. These are 10s. You have back here a 10 and another 10. Then right down here, that's a 12. That's a 12 right here. And another 12 right there. Then over here on the side, and over there, we got one back here. And then right here, 10mm bolt right here. After that, there is two 12mm bolts down at the bottom. The bottom of the intake manifold. Right here. Let me show you. Right here at the bottom. Got two at the bottom right here. Once you do that, disconnect all your lines on your intake manifold, all your connectors, and start it right here. Disconnect. Don't forget to disconnect the battery. Disconnect the power from the starter. This is a 10mm bolt. Let me make sure. This bolt right here goes here. Oh, it's a 12. This is 12mm bolt. And as you can see, I'm getting the starter off. This is the top bolt. That is a 14. And right here, another 14. So I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Let me give you guys a view.